Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on Maxeon Solar. I've talked quite a bit about solar here on the channel. Just did a solar stock yesterday. Went over 5 solar stocks and covered Maxeon a couple times, so I thought it was time for an update. But you can see what they've done over the past 5 years, down 10%. In the past year, they're up over 97%. So if you'd have gone in the last July, it would have been a good time to do a buy. Even in the past 3 months, you'd have made a little bit of money. So it's in the green, 54.5%. Past month, 6.84%. I thought this was an interesting day here. So May 10th, May 11th. 12, something was going on and then just dropped off. If you know what was going on that day, put that in the comments. In the past week, up over 3%, and red today, down 0.5%. So, but again, this is Maxeon, ticker MAXN. So if you don't know much about them, they engage in the manufacture and marketer of premium solar power technology. Its products include Maxeon solar cells and panels. Founded in 2019. $1.46 billion market cap, high today of $29.35, low of $28.17. And 52-week high of $38.91 and low of $10.01. So that'd been a good buy. Not too bad of ratings on this one, 62% buy. Next earnings is expected on August 17th. So we'll see what happens on that particular date. And here's some other ones. SunPower I've talked about once or twice. Just did a video on Sunrun. Plug Power, numerous videos. First Solar once or twice. And Enphase, just did a video on them yesterday. The 5 solar stocks. Over here on Microsoft Bing, currently showing this one as a buy with a 1-year price target of $40. So not bad if that holds true. Analysis of Maxeon Solar Technologies, and this is dated on the 31st, so just a couple days away. Been trading at 1.09 million shares traded in the last trading session. The company currently valued at $1.26 billion, closed the latest trade at $28.26 per share, which meant it lost 31 cents on the day, or minus 1% during that session. Maxeon stock price is minus 37.69 for the 52-week high price of $38.91. The consensus among analysts is Maxeon Solar is an overweight stock at the moment. Recommendation rating at 2.1. Serial analysts. And so just giving ratings. We'll give some more ratings towards the end. Maxeon Solar climbed 26.27 to reach the level Wall Street analysts expect. And this is dated on the 26th. So a little bit older, but didn't find a whole lot of information, so we can just skim over this one. But they've been trading, gaining 2.9 in the last 4 weeks, but there could be plenty of upside in the stock in the short term. Price targets, Wall Street analysts are on any guide. The mean price target of 35.33 indicates a 26.3 upside potential. Average comprises 6 short-term price target ranging from a low of 21 to a high of $43, with a standard deviation of $8.29 while the lowest estimate indicates a decline of 25%. Here's the price consensus and EPS. Here's what you need to know about analyst price targets. Wall Street analysts have a deep knowledge of a company's fundamentals and the sensitivity of the business to economic and industry issues. Many of them tend to set overly optimistic target goals. And are you wondering why? So this explains a little bit. Usually do that to drum up interest in shares of companies that their firms either have existing business relationships with or looking to be associated with. In other words, business incentives of firms that covering a stock often result in inflated price targets set by analysts. Here's why there could be plenty of upside in Maxeon. I've always had good luck buying solar like January through April and then just holding it, and it just seems to go up over the summer. Some of them peak in August and either keep them or sell them. Sometimes I'll sell out of them. So for the last 30 days, X consensus estimate for the current year has increased 43.6%. as two estimates have moved higher compared to no negative revision. Currently number 2 at a buy. Maxeon Solar Technologies extends solar panel technology leadership position. Achieved 24.7% world record efficiency with Maxeon 7 solar panel. 23% efficient MAXN 6 solar panels shipping into Europe. So global leader, solar innovative, and channels that today announced had several advances that are expected to extend at the company's panel technology leadership position. First, Maxeon disclosed world record module aperture efficiency measurement of 24.7, a full scale of 7 panel, as confirmed by testing at the United States National Renewable Laboratory. So that would be very cool, testing solar panels and seeing if you can get more out of them. Maxeon stock, a guide to the market trend. And the stock of Maxeon Technologies has seen a 1.68% increase in the past week, with 11.23 gain in the last month and 62.18 flourish in the past quarter. Volatility ratio for the week is 5.89%, and the volatility levels for the past 30 days are at 7.60%. Simple moving average for the past 20 days is minus 1.40%. Maxeon stock with a 28.99 simple moving average for the past 200 days. There are mixed opinions of the stock with 4 analysts. We'll go over some more ratings at the end. Maxeon stock latest price update, analyst opinions, and 50-day moving average. Moving on here with 64.95% distance from low, could Maxeon Solar post further gains? Shares changing hands with the beta currently measuring 0. The company's recent per share price was 28.56, trading down 47 cents or 1.62% at the ring of the bell, assigns the market evaluation of $1.27 billion. Moving on over here to Reddit, Best Buy other information there than what we haven't already covered. Over here on StockTwits, currently at $29.07. Trying to hold the 28.95 level. Over here on TipRanks, currently at 29.12. Just moved there a little bit, went up a moderate buy with an upside to $35.33. High of 43 and low of 21. That's all that I have on Maxeon. I have a couple shares of this one. My biggest solar position is Sunrun, ticker RUN. I just did a video on them. There's more videos in the library if you'd like to watch those. But that's it for Maxeon. Again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice, just stating my opinion. If you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as hitting the bell, and so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, following Ford Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.